We have a very nice geometry problem involving a square and a shaded trapezoid. Take a moment to look at the figure and see if you can find the exact area before we work through it together. We are given a square PQRS. Point T lies on side SR, and segment QT is drawn inside the square. The shaded region is trapezoid PQTS. We know that the length of QT is 14 units, and angle QTS measures 120 degrees. Our goal is to find the exact area of the shaded trapezoid. Let's start by examining the angle at point T carefully. Notice that SR is a straight line, and any straight line forms an angle of 180 degrees. Since angle QTS is 120 degrees, the angle on the other side, angle QTR, must be 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. That gives us 60 degrees. Now let's focus on triangle QRT, because PQRS is a square. Every corner of the square is a right angle. Therefore, angle QRT equals 90 degrees. We already found that angle QTR equals 60 degrees. The angles inside a triangle must add up to 180 degrees, so angle TQR equals 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 60 degrees, which equals 30 degrees. This means triangle QRT is a 30-60-90 triangle. That observation is the key to the entire problem. Let's look at this step carefully. In a 30-60-90 triangle, the side opposite 30 degrees is exactly half the hypotenuse. Here, the hypotenuse is QT, and its length is 14. The side opposite the 30-degree angle is RT. Therefore, RT equals 14 divided by 2, which gives us 7. Now, let's use the second special ratio of a 30-60-90 triangle. The longer leg equals the shorter leg multiplied by the square root of 3. Since the shorter leg is 7, we get QR equals 7 multiplied by the square root of 3. Notice what happens here. QR is not only a side of the triangle, it is also a side of the square. Therefore, every side a square, PQRS, measures 7 square root of 3. Now we're ready to find the area of the square. The area of a square is side squared. Substituting the side length, we get the quantity 7 square root of 3 whole squared. 7 squared is 49, and square root of 3 squared is 3. Multiplying 49 by 3 gives 147. So the area of the square is 147 square units. Next, let's find the area of triangle QRT. The base is RT, which equals 7, and the height is QR, which equals 7 square root of 3. Using the triangle area formula, 1/2 multiplied by base multiplied by height, we get 1/2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 square root of 3. Multiplying 7 by 7 gives 49, so the area of triangle QRT becomes 49 square root of 3 divided by 2. Now we have everything we need. The shaded trapezoid PQTS is simply the area of the square minus the area of triangle QRT. Substituting the values we found, the area equals 147 minus 49 square root of 3 divided by 2. To combine this into a single fraction, rewrite 147 as 294 divided by 2. Then subtract 49 square root of 3 divided by 2. This gives us the quantity 294 minus 49 square root of 3, all divided by 2. Therefore, the exact area of the shaded trapezoid is the quantity 294 minus 49 square root of 3, all divided by 2 square units. As a decimal, this is approximately 104.56 square units. And that's the final answer.